Daniel, you're on. Go ahead.
Thank you, Rabbi. That was an amazing question and amazing answer. Baruch Hashem.
Baruch Hashem, yes, Baruch Hashem.
Regarding the Shema Israel, I use it a lot when I get attacked by immodest thoughts or improper thoughts or things of that nature.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know if I'm doing something forbidden here, because I'm always keen on it to get very strong against those thoughts, and I meditate the holy name Shin Dalet Yud when I want to enhance it, sort of.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know if I'm allowed to do that. I don't know if I'm doing something stupid here.
No, it's not stupid. That's what you're allowed to do. That's what you're allowed to do. And some say physically. Okay, so you do like that over your forehead. So that's kabbalistically removes, helps you to concentrate. So of course you try to concentrate, change your concentration. So that's what I do. Not totally. That's our tradition. That's what we do. Okay. So is it help? We try again. If you don't put yourself in that situation, whatever situation, whatever desires is, somebody have desire for not kosher food, somebody have desire to look at the women, and so you put yourself as far away from that as possible. Right? Sometimes people leave a commentary on YouTube, right? And there is a public profile. So I go to the public profile and just to see who this person is. What else is he watching? What else is she watching? And you can see 40 channels, 50 channels, all the garbage of the world, and they talk about and they contain the holiness that we teach. You understand? This person, he's a Shiur of the Shiur, at the bottom of the Shiur, and he or she, sometimes they have this little icon, so whoa, I cannot watch it. I click, I close my computer. It's so bad. So, and this person would tell us what to do, give spiritual advice. You understand? So we have to stay from all of the garbage as far as possible. But of course, Yitzhak is going to come to you, to me, to everybody. So, but you must be prepared. So we cannot just be caught off guard. We must prepare ourselves. What I'm going to say, for example, it's a proper when you go to job interview or some very very important meeting when you have to meet somebody, right? And it's very important to you to rehearse the speech, what they're going to say, what you're going to say, what if they're going to say that, how you're going to answer, if they're going to ask you this uncomfortable question, how you're going to answer. So if you're going to rely that you have all of the answers while you're there, so most likely that you're going to lose. You have to be prepared. Same is here in your life. We have to be prepared. What we're going to say to Yitzhak. Right, but the best way is just run. Okay, you know what? I have to go. Where? I just have to go, turn away and run. Okay.
Baruch Hashem, thank you, Rabbi.
Okay, you're welcome.